starting? What's up, guys? You watched another video. We just made it to a Carmeet tonight. I did not bring my GTR. We came in the daily because these Carmeets are known for people getting ratchet and getting crazy and doing burnouts and doing revving and all kinds of stuff. It's also known for a lot of cops pulling up. So we came low-key and we're just gonna film all the action tonight. So let's get it. Right now, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Smash the like button too for the video if you guys enjoy it. And guys, we hit 151,000 subscribers already. In like a couple of days, bro, we getting 1,000 subscribers. That is insane. So shout out to everyone that's new to the channel. I appreciate it so much. And I appreciate all the love and support on the recent videos. I've been daily vlogging all December and we're doing really good. We're like 2 weeks straight. So hopefully we can keep it up and go all the way throughout the month. Let's check out some cool cars. I see a GTR already. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, if you're not already. Look at this shit, guys. That is not stock. Nice, huh? What do you guys think? Should I go back to black? I'm definitely gonna do it. I'm really over my wrap, bro.
It's crazy though, cause look at the bro, your black is look at same as yours.
Yeah, the paint. But yeah, my paint's way cleaner.
Yeah, like way cleaner.
You won't start?
Revving it. It's a new rev.
Ooh, Corvette. I think the homie Jay's here too. Where's he at? We gotta go find him. New BRZ, FRS, G86, whatever it's called. This thing's sick. Look at it. Sheesh. I want a Corvette. In the last video, oh look. You think it's fast? In the last video, I called a C6 a C7, and everyone was roasting me. I'm sorry, I messed up. There's too many freaking C's. That's C5, right? What is that, like a C4? I'm just guessing. These people are playing video games at a Carmeet?
You can see what's up,
no
bro.
mames, way.
Huh?
No mames, way?
No
way they're playing. Look at this Mustang. That's not too bad. No way Jay just made his own parking. This is where Jay parks, guys. I'll air your shit out.
I'll air your shit out.
Bro, I just told you so.
I heard.
I literally see Jay every single day.
Every day, it's a ritual now, bro.
Isn't that crazy? Me and Jay do not live close. We live like an hour away. We still see each other every day.
Yep. So if you can't do, I don't know. I'm not joking. No,
There's a snake in my boot.
Tell me he doesn't look like Woody.
For real? You don't look like Woody.
Bro, he looks like Woody, bro.
It looks like a Roblox character.
What about Yusuf?
Yusuf? He's fucking Big Hero 6.
Bro, you're fried. You're fried. I made a fried list. You're number one on the list right now.
No, you're fried.
Hey, number two.
Oh! But Jay's M4 is looking clean. Probably the sickest car here. I love his car, bro. That's just clean. Jeez, I'm trying to see some ratchet stuff, bro. Damn. Who's driving over here, bro? I think a Subaru's driving it. Sick ass food. Look at that shit. That Supra is pretty nice though. Blue with the carbon hood.
Is that a Cybot carbon fiber hood?
What is that, bro?
What do you mean, what is that? That's the new Hot Wheels 392.
You should do that rap,
Okay.
Loki, on the G80.
Bro, Loki, that should probably make me go like 30 times faster.
Oh my god, what is this?
No, that's a
bro?
B48.
What?
A B48? Yeah.
Damn, Jay knows his stuff, bro.
That's a Beamer engine.
Yusuf will look crazy in that.
Bro, you'll go crazy.
Bro, me and Edward? My boy.
Air it out.
Well, he's running like in the corner.
I believe he's got to go today.
Oh, let's take the time sheet.
Oh, another one? Damn, they're all good. These things sound pretty crazy, the Pro Chargers. I think you'll beat them, Jay. Crowd control. They're all boosted, bro. Looks clean. Oh my god. It's starting, guys. This Porsche, guys. It's pretty sick, huh? Wide body. Actually sounds sick. I think it's sick.
I drive that.
I told you they're gonna get crazy probably. Oh my god. These foods are wild. Oh my god. Okay, my cousin. He goes into your car? Why is everyone looking at me? FindingNick, bro. It's my sick.
Bro, exactly like it.
That looks just like mine. At least this bumper fits better than mine. Bro, what is going on, bro?
Hey, did it spit any flames?
No. I just kidding out there.
I got you, my boy.
Yeah, what happened, bro?
PQ sauce.
I forgot he works at
Did it
PQ
break
now.
down? No way they're about to swing it right here, bro. Let's see. Oh, I think they are. No way I'm filming this right now, bro. I don't ever film these things, guys. That don't sound too good.
No.
Bro, it's so quiet. It sounds like a hybrid.
What are the odds from 1 to 20 you get your car in your finger right now?
None.
Right? Bro, you should see this shit for the cameras.
I'm not doing it, no.
1 in 20, bro. That's 400. That's 1 in 400 you said the same number.
Oh my god,
Back up.
bro. Bro, where we at, bro?
You wanted to come
I did not want to come here. Jay told me about this.
here. Made me come out of bed, bro.
Guys. What is going on, bro? No way. Oh no! No way, bro. No way, bro. Look at this.
We gotta go.
Bro.
Are you finding Nick on
Yeah, what's
YouTube?
up? Oh, this is wild, bro. Oh! What is going on? My boy,
Your
someone
tires
got
on
arrested,
curb.
bro.
Your tires on curb.
Oh, he fell out the car, they said. I guess the passenger fell out of the car, bro.
They pulled in? Did they get it out?
Well, guys, like always, I don't condone this takeover stuff at all. I'm just here filming a car meet, bro. I'm just here filming a car meet, and that shit happened to happen, bro. But I told you guys, these meets always get like that. That's why I don't really come to these at all. I never come to these meets. I never bring my GTR here. Because like I said, I don't condone this stuff. But there was literally nothing to film today, so we came.
Not away.
No. Did you see? No. So the passenger fell out of the car. And they arrested the passenger. That fool fell out the passenger door. Bro, I would have left it.
You would have left it, bro?
No.
You would have left it? Wait, so that fool dipped?
Yeah, okay, so the car, he tried to take off and his homie fell out the seat, bro. How did that even happen?
Nah, he got away.
But the fool that got arrested.
Damn, hey, we're gonna see if he's a real homie if he doesn't snitch.
Bro, I said I don't condone this stuff, bro. I'm not trying to. Hey, what's up, bro? Jay needs to get out of here. This is why I don't bring my GTR.
What car did we bring though?
We bought the daily.
Oh, shoot. Huh?
We bought the daily, guys, so it looks like me and David just came for a Starbucks.
You know, we just got some stars real quick. 2 young men at 9 o'clock getting some
Yeah,
stars.
you know what? We're gonna start the whole vlog over. Me and David just came to Starbucks, and we so happened to come across the takeover. The perks are coming in the daily, guys. We're gonna be so undercover. I would never come back in my GTR.
You caught him? What guy is it?
I don't know, bro. Someone got arrested. Is he snitching?
That fool looks like a straight up snitch, bro. I'm sorry, bro. They're
For real?
fucked, bro. Yeah.
You wouldn't be his friend?
No, bro. If I was the other guy, I'd already think about what to do already.
Start going to Mexico
bro,
already?
because this was snitching for sure, bro. I swear to God.
Bro, no way you called him a snitch, bro.
I'm sorry, bro.
Would you snitch
If
on
you
me?
ever watch this video and you see me saying this, but I'm sorry, you look like a fucking snitch.
What if you fell out of my car? Would you snitch on me?
Nah, I'm taking that shit to
better
the
not
grave,
snitch on me,
homie.
bro.
I gave it to you though. They're gonna tell us what they're gonna be like. If you don't tell us who was driving it, they're gonna probably try to. They're gonna say they're gonna try to get him for all that. You know?
Yeah, that's crazy. I guess that's the passenger, guys. Like, so think about it. Me and David are doing donuts. Cops pull up.
And I fall out.
David falls out of the car somehow. I don't know why. That fool didn't have a seatbelt on or something.
I don't think he fell out,
Put his
Dick.
seatbelt.
I don't think he fell out, Dick.
That's what they said. That I overheard. I didn't see, guys. I don't think I caught it on camera, but I overheard that fool fell out the passenger seat, and that's when the cops arrested him. And Yusuf wanted Jay to go in there.
Literally right there. He was like,
hell no, bro. Yeah, guys. That's why I would never do that. I won't do it, bro.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.